Hi friends, please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, you will need a pencil, a red crayon, and a blue crayon. Please pause the video and gather your materials. Our first word is drip. D-R-I-P. Drip. Please write drip with your pencil. D-R-I-P. Drip. With your pencil, please underline the initial R blend. Drr. With your red crayon, please trace the vowel in drip. With your blue crayon, please trace the consonants in drip. D, and P are the consonants in drip. Our next word is trap. T, A, P. T, A, P. Trap. With your red crayon, please trace the vowel in trap. Ah is my vowel in trap. With your blue crayon, please trace the consonants in trap. T, and P are my consonants in trap. Next word is trot. T, A, T. Trot. T, A, T. Trot. With your red crayon, please trace the vowel in trot. Ah is my vowel in trot. With a blue crayon, please trace the consonants. T, and T. Our next word is drab. D, A, B. Drab. With your pencil, write drab. D, A, B. Drab. With your red crayon, please trace the vowel in drab. Ah is my vowel in drab. With your blue crayon, please trace the consonants in drab. D, and B are the consonants in drab. Next word is trim. T, M. Trim. Please write trim. T, M. Trim. With your red crayon, please trace the vowel in trim. I is my vowel in trim. With your blue crayon, please trace the consonants in trim. T, and are my consonants in trim. Our next word is drop. D, op. With your pencil, write drop. D, A, P. Drop. With your pencil, please trace the vowel in drop. Ah is my vowel in drop. With your blue crayon, please trace the consonants. D, your consonants in drop. Our next word is grit. G, R, I, T. Grit. G, R, I, T. Grit. With your crayon, please trace the vowel in grit. I is my vowel in grit. With your blue crayon, please trace the consonants in grit. G, R, and T are my consonants in grit. Our next word is drag. D, R, A, G. Drag. D, R, A, G. Drag. With your red crayon, please trace the vowel in drag. A is my vowel in drag. With your blue crayon, please trace the consonants. D, R, and G are my consonants in drag. Our next word is crop. K, R, A, P. Crop. K, R, A, P. Crop. With your red crayon, please trace the vowel in crop. Ah is my vowel in crop. Blue crayon, please trace the consonants. K, R, and P are my consonants in crop. Our next word is fret. F, et, fret. F, et, fret. With your red crayon, please trace the vowel in fret. Is my vowel in fret. Blue crayon, please trace the consonants. F, and T are my consonants in fret. Way to go, boys and girls. Flip your paper over. Hi, friends. On this side, you will need your highlighter, a paper clip, and a pencil. Please pause the video and gather your materials. We are going to start with our highlighter first, and we are going to be coloring the TR blends in the words. An R blend is two consonants side by side, and one of them is the letter R. Now remember, we're not coloring the entire box. That will take too long. We're only coloring the initial R blend. My first word is tram. Do you see a TR in tram? I do too. Let's color just the TR. Initial R blend. Next word, flag. Do you see a TR blend there? Nope. So I am going to leave it blank. Then we're on the word train. Do you see a TR initial R blend? Yes, we do. Please color just the blend. Next word is chin. There is no R blend, so we are not going to color chin. Next line down, we're on slat. Do you see an initial R blend in slat? No, so we are not going to color it. Next word here is truck. Do you see the initial R blend? Tur. Yes, so we are going to color the initial R blend, tur. Next word is trap. Trap. Oh, I see the initial R blend. Please color it. Next word is track. There's that initial R blend in track. Next line down, we have trot. Do you see the initial R blend in trot? Yes, I do. So we're going to color it. Then we have trim. Trim has the initial R blend, so please color it. Then we have the word prop. Does prop have the TR initial R blend? Nope. It has an initial R blend, but not the TR initial R blend. Then we have glad. Does glad have the initial R blend? Nope. So please don't color it. All right, my friends, you are going to do spin, read, and write. You're going to spin your paperclip 8 times, and you are going to write down whatever word you land on 8 different times. Remember, if you get the same word twice, write it twice. Please pause the video and do spin, read, and write. All right, friends, we are on our word bank portion of our paper. Our first word is trot. T-R-O-T, trot. We need a tall, short, short, tall pattern right here at the bottom. T-R-O-T, trot. Next word is truck. T-R-U-C, truck. I need 5 boxes. Tall, short, 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 tall. Oh, I see that right here at the top. Truck. Our next word is trap. T-R-A-P, trap. T-R-A-P, trap. Then we have train. T-R-A-N, train. Right here at the bottom. T-R-A-N, train. Last is trim. T-R-I-M, trim. T-R-I-M. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great.